Have you ever heard about global warming or climate change and wondered what it was all about? Have you also criticized someone for thinking global warming is not real? Well, this video is for you. I am a debunker of the theory that global warming is a hoax. In this video, I'm going to go over global warming, specifically why people think it's a hoax, and the causes of global warming. Through facts, statistics, and research, I will prove to you that global warming is a very real thing, and it's impacting our climate in dangerous ways. I can also see the other side of the argument. I still believe that global warming is actively occurring in our world. It's not to say that the other argument is wrong, it's just people's opinion, and there is evidence to support both claims. In the study conducted at the Pew Research Center, the majority of the 32 interviewees acknowledged that the Earth's climate is changing, but they usually characterized these changes as a result of natural cycles occurring throughout time, with little influence from humans. But the increasing human activities such as burning fossil fuels, cutting down forests, and farming livestock cannot be ignored, as they are definitely influencing climate change. This conspiracy theory is based on people's own beliefs. It's also based on exaggerations that humans have had an effect on global warming. These sources are using the ad hominem logical fallacy and trying to shame individuals or make them feel bad about their decisions in order to explain and debate the human causes of climate change. This conspiracy also uses the straw man arguments, since people who believe in the conspiracy think that the news about global warming's effects are exaggerations. Though individual human activity cannot cause a large amount of damage, collectively it can definitely cause a large and huge amount of damage. As per Government of Canada, causes of climate change, the greenhouse effect is caused by human activity, notably the combustion of fossil fuels like coal, oil, petrol, and natural gas is directly responsible for the current era of global warming. The Earth's climate has altered due to the massive emissions of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere by human activity since the Industrial Revolution. Earth experienced its highest temperature since records began last year. The Copernicus Climate Change Service of the European Union discovered that 2023 has been 1.48 degrees Celsius higher than the pre-industrial average. Extreme occurrences and global disasters were brought about by warmer global temperatures in 2023. These included catastrophic wildfires in Canada and Hawaii, severe heat waves in the Northern Hemisphere, and unprecedented rains in several locations, such as South Africa, China, and Korea. It might even get hotter this year. There's a good likelihood that by the end of 2024, the average global temperature will have risen by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius over pre-industrial levels. Through the Paris Agreement, governments have committed to cooperating to keep global warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius, as any increase above this point would put humanity in grave danger. Finally, in order to discuss and explain the human causes of climate change, it is not the purpose to embarrass or make people feel guilty about the choices they have made. It's critical to characterize the problem in order to identify practical solutions. And we have to be honest about its origins. Human civilization has achieved significant productivity improvements, some of which have contributed to the planet's current warming. But if we use the same creative energy and link it to a sense of shared responsibility, we might find ways to fight climate change and veer away from the route that leads to a sustainable future. Thank you for listening.